Now, exciting young Charlton Athletic forward Tyreece Campbell is the only newcomer named in the Reggae Boyz squad for the upcoming CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers against British Virgin Islands and Guatemala. 5 local-based players have been included in the squad. Jermaine Brown reports.
Tyreece Campbell, who was named the Charlton Athletics Young Player of the Year for the just concluded 2024-2025 season, was the only new face in the Reggae Boyz squad announced for this month's CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers against the British Virgin Islands and Guatemala. The 24-member squad was announced on Tuesday. The 21-year-old forward was pivotal in helping Charlton Athletic gain promotion from League One to the Championship in England in May. Campbell is also teammates with current Reggae boy Kahim Dixon, who has also been called up. Striker Roman Burrell of Burton Albion, who earned his first call-up for the Unity Cup tournament and scored against Trinidad and Tobago, has also been included. Cavaliers' Richard King and Dwayne Atkinson, Mount Pleasant's Kyle Ming and Shaquan Davis, and Arnett Gardens' Warner Brown are the local-based players included in the squad. Meanwhile, experienced players Captain Andre Blake, Jamali Waite, Damian Lowe, Leon Bailey, Demari Gray, and Joel Latiboder, who all missed the recent Unity Cup, make their return to the squad. Head coach Steve McLaren gave his assessment of the squad assembled for the 2 World Cup qualifiers.
We want to build on the Unity Cup. It was a great experience. The players did very, very well. And I think we made, in the way we want to play, big strides forward. I think scoring 5 goals in 2 games was a big plus, using the speed we have in the team.
Meanwhile, there is no place for regular striker Shamar Nicholson, while Ethan Pinnock will be absent for personal reasons and Bobby Reid misses out due to injury. McLaren explained the non-selection of 28-year-old Nicholson, who is the leading goal scorer for Jamaica among current active players with 19 goals in 56 matches.
So since going back to Mexico, he didn't play. He was on the bench. And his season finished on the 20th of April. I think it's maybe starting again in pre-season now, but not starting. So that's quite a break, 20th of April until now. And, you know, it's a long break. And we felt the condition of Shamar at this present time wasn't up. And we can't bring him in camp to get him fit. You have to be fit when you come in camp. And I think that was the main principle of our ruling, of our decisions.
And the Reggae Boyz play away to the British Virgin Islands this Saturday, June 7, before facing Guatemala at the National Stadium next week, Tuesday, June 10. Jamaica is currently second on 6 points in Group E of the second round of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, the same as leaders Guatemala, who are ahead with a +9 goal difference. The top 2 teams from the 6 groups will make progress to the 3rd and final round of the World Cup qualifiers. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.